Namaste, friends. Currently, India is facing the biggest crisis due to this second tsunami of COVID 19. Many of my clients and friends have been asking me how to deal with this situation. Everybody wants to know how they can keep the spirits of their family members high in this period. How can they help someone who is in pain? Considering COVID is all around us and has now reached our close knit circles, I felt the need to share this with everyone. But before I share this, I want to say that I am not a doctor. Please continue to follow all the instructions given by your doctor and follow all the guidelines laid out by them. This can be used in addition to the treatment, it is not a replacement. The tool that I shared with my clients, my family, and my friends, and something that I practice every day is affirmations. What are affirmations and how do they work? Well, affirmations are auto-suggestions to our subconscious mind. These are assertive statements in the present tense. When we repeat them, they create neural pathways in our mind. They can become the anchors to cling on to in these times. By choosing positive words, we create good and loving thoughts which help us create an amazing life. The famous inspirational teacher Louise Hay demonstrated the power of affirmations. There are metaphysical ways to overcome the mental causes of the physical illnesses. They align our mind, body, and spirit. Keeping the current situation in mind, you can use the following affirmations to create a new thought pattern. Someone having fever can say, I am the cool and calm expression of peace and love. For breathing problems, say, it is my birthright to live my life fully and freely. I am worth loving. I now choose to love my life fully. Affirmation for cough. I am noticed and appreciated in the most positive ways. I declare peace and harmony in me and around me. For hyperventilation issues, say, I am safe everywhere in this universe. I love myself and I trust the process of life. For viral infections, say, I lovingly allow joy to flow freely in my life. And 3 very important affirmations. My immune system is very strong. I lovingly release the past and all is well in my world. Friends, I can understand that a person with fever and breathing problems may not be able to read these affirmations. Here, you can lend them a helping hand. Record these affirmations and let them listen with their earphones on. Let me explain this in Hindi as well. एफर्मेशंस वर्तमान काल में बोले गए सकारात्मक वाक्य होते हैं। अच्छे शब्द अच्छे विचार उत्पन्न करते हैं और हमारे मन में एक नई राह बना देते हैं। इनसे हम अपने शारीरिक समस्याओं का भी समाधान कर सकते हैं। पर दोस्तों, एक बात मैं आपको बताना चाहती हूँ, मैं डॉक्टर नहीं हूँ। इसलिए आपका जो भी डॉक्टर से दवाई ट्रीटमेंट जो चालू है वो उसे जारी रखिए। जो मैं आपको बता रही हूँ वो एडिशनल है, वो दवाई की जगह नहीं ले सकता। हिंदी में एफर्मेशंस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में भी लिखे हैं। अगर किसी को बुखार है तो वो कहे, मैं प्रेम और शांति की शांत अभिव्यक्ति हूँ। खांसी है तो कहें, मुझे हर जगह सकारात्मक रूप से देखा और सराहा जाता है। मुझे सब बहुत प्यार करते हैं। सांसों की तकलीफ के लिए कहें, मैं सुरक्षित हूँ, मैं अपने जीवन से बहुत प्रेम करता हूँ। और वायरल इन्फेक्शंस के लिए आप कह सकते हैं, मैं प्रेम पूर्वक खुशी को अपने जीवन में मुक्त रूप से प्रवाहित होने देता हूँ। और 3 और एफर्मेशंस बड़े इम्पॉर्टेंट हैं, वो आप कह सकते हैं, मैं स्वस्थ हूँ, मैं बीते हुए कल को प्रेम पूर्वक भुला देता हूँ और मेरी दुनिया में सब अच्छा है। Positive words will definitely create positive vibes. In case you need any affirmations for specific issues, I am a message away. DM me and I shall be happy to help you. Please share this message freely, it may help someone in need. I did not think I would have to say this again, but please follow the protocols, stay indoors, stay healthy, stay safe, and most importantly, stay strong. Thank you.